Nice guys, as you can see it actually generated our gems and it works amazing. What is up people and welcome to my brand new tutorial. In this tutorial guys, I'm going to show you how I got unlimited gems for my Dragon City game using an online tool guys, without downloading any APKs or modded apps or anything you can imagine guys. It's free, safe and online. So guys, you can do it with your Android or your iOS devices. It works perfectly for both devices. So guys, before we start with this tutorial, we just want to make sure that our low power battery mode is off. So let's go to settings, and if your battery saver mode is on, let's make sure to turn it off. So yeah, on your iOS devices it's called low power mode, so simply turn it off. And then let's go to Google or any browser you got guys and navigate to this website. It's called twixen.com. As you can see, you will find it easily guys, and under online gen tools you will find enter, so click there and welcome to online gen tools. So guys, there we will find Dragon City. There we go, click there. And guys, as you can see, it's the official Dragon City online tool. So we'll have to enter our Dragon City user ID. If you don't know guys how to find your user ID, make sure to click here and to see how to find it. So, or let me simply show you. So just go to settings, as you can see here, and click copy user ID, as you can see, and you will copy user ID. And let me close this game. So okay, and let's paste my user ID and yours, and let's click connect guys. So let's see and make sure that it will actually find our username. Nice, I mean user ID, and our user ID is successfully connected. Nice guys. So next step is to select amount of gems. As you can see, you will have 4 options, so I will always go with the maximum one, and let's click continue guys. And please make sure to subscribe my channel in order to get updated and with latest videos like this guys. If you like this content for reviews and tutorials, just make sure to hit that subscribe button. So guys, okay, we got into robot check, as you can see, and we will have a few minutes to complete this bot check version, I mean captcha. We will have to do it because there's a lot of malicious bot attempts, so don't worry, just follow my steps. And let's click here on I'm not robot, and let's make sure that we verify it. And guys, we got redirected into last step required, I mean bot check, manual bot check. So guys, as you can see, we will have this list guys, and what we will have to do here, we simply need to download 2 games, free games I mean, from this list, or complete 2 simple and free questionnaires and follow their instructions to pass this bot check. You will have a different list of games and questionnaires based on your country you're currently in. So guys, questionnaires are easier, but games are more interesting for verifying this bot check. So guys, what will I do now? I will download this Travel Town and I will download this Coin Master. And what will I basically do? I will click here and I will click go, and it will start downloading our game from official publishers. I mean, if you're using Android device, it will start downloading from Google Play, and if you're using your iOS devices, it will start downloading from your official app store, so you don't have to worry. So when I download this, I will install and complete level 9, and after this I will do the same for Coin Master, but I will install it, open and complete Village 3. And that's pretty much it guys. What will I do now? So see you when I complete these 2 tasks. Be right back and let's see together what will happen and does it actually work.
A few minutes later.
Okay guys, I have just completed this and this task, as I said, and I got this message: you completed 2 tasks successfully along this redirecting text. Guys, I'm still waiting for about 1 minute and literally nothing happened. So let's see, will it actually redirect us guys? I'm still waiting, as I said. Nice guys, as you can see, we actually got verification successful. Thank you for passing the bot check. Gems are on the way guys. I'm so excited to test it right now. Our username connected and our games sent is successful. So guys, The last step is to open our Dragon City game and to test does it actually work. As you can see guys, I have downloaded Travel Town and Coin Master and I have completed its requirements and it actually worked amazing as I said guys. I will complete this. So let's open my Dragon City game guys and let's see will it actually work. So we will wait a little bit this loading screen. And then we will see will we actually receive our prize what we order for free. Still nothing guys. Let's hope that it will actually work. Let's really laggy. Does it actually work? So yeah. Nice guys, as you can see it actually generated our gems and it works amazing guys, as you can see. So yeah, that's pretty much it guys for this tutorial. Thank you so much for watching. If you enjoyed this review tutorial, make sure to comment down below and to like and to subscribe my channel for more content like this. Once again, thank you so much for watching and see you in the next video. Bye.